Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about important questions or a revision for CBSE Board Examination 2026. So we are going to start with trigonometry. So let's begin with this question. If sin A is equal to 3/4, calculate sec A. So we are going to use the identity which is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and the formula sec theta equal to reciprocal of 1 by cos theta. So let's begin. As we know, by using the identity, cos theta cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Then putting the value of sin A, we get 1 minus 3/4 square. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Then LCM 16 minus 9, which gives 7/16. Then as we have got the value of cos square A, then if you take the square on the right hand side, it becomes square root. So square root of 16 is 4. So root over 7/4. We have got the value of cos A. So by using the formula sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, so we are going to place the value of cos A in place of sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So which gives 1 by root over 7/4, which is 4/7. So this is the value of sec. We got the answer. So let's see the question. Prove that sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A is equal to 10A. We have to prove it is equal to 10A. So here we are going to use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So let's begin. As you can see, on both sides sin A is common, so we will take the sin A common. So what is remaining? 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 is taken common. Next, same thing here. On both sides, cos A is there, so we'll take cos A common. So what is remaining here? 2 cos square A minus 1. 1 is remaining. As we are taking out cos A. Next step, what we'll do? We'll use the identity of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In place of 1, we are going to use sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin A 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square A. Then divided by cos A, 2 cos square A minus, here we have to put bracket. So under bracket, what is there? 1. 1 value is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Bracket close. Sin A cos A. As you can see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Here minus is greater, so these two we can minus it. So sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is minus sin square theta. As minus sign is greater, so minus will remain. So here is the same. If we remove the bracket, what will we get? If we remove the bracket, minus plus minus into plus is minus, so minus cos square theta. Next step, sin A plus sin A by cos A. What is it? Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So we will place tan A. Here what is remaining? Minus sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by, here you see 2 cos square A minus cos square theta. Not I will write it. Oh, sorry. Because of theta we are going to write A. So same here, cos square 2 cos square A minus cos square A. What do we get? If you minus the, we get plus is greater, so cos square A minus sin square A, tan A cos square A minus sin square A. If you rearrange the numerator, we can cancel numerator by denominator. So what is remaining? Tan A, which is equal to left hand side. So let's go to next question. Evaluate 3 tan square 30 degree plus tan square 60 degree plus cosec 30 degree minus tan 45 degree by cot square 45 degree. So as we know, 30 degree is equal to 1 by root over 3, then tan 60 degree is root over 3, then cosec 30 is equal to 2, tan 45 equal to 1. So we are going to substitute all these value in place of tan 30, tan 60, cosec 30 and tan 45. So 3 tan 30 degree is 1 by root over 3 square plus tan square 60 degree, which is root over 3 square plus cosec 30 is 2 minus tan 45 1 by cot 45. What is the value of cot 45? Cot 45 value is also 1. So 1 square, which gives 3 root over 3 into root over 3, which is 3. Root over 3 into root over 3 gives 3. So 1 by 3 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So 1 as it is. 3 cancel. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1, which gives 5. Done. Now let's see the next question. Given that sin alpha equal to root over 3 by 2 and cos beta is equal to 0, then the value of beta minus alpha is. So here we know that sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Just we are going to place in place of root over 3 by 2, we are going to place the sin 60 degree. And here in place of 0, we are going to place cos 90 degree. So let's start. Sin alpha equal to root 3 by 2. So sin alpha is equal to, we are going to place the sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. Sin cancel, then we got the value of alpha, which is 60 degree. Next, cos beta equal to 0. So cos beta equal to, we know that cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So cos 90 degree. Cos cancel, then beta is equal to 90 degree. Then we have to find beta minus alpha. So beta minus alpha, beta value is 90 degree and alpha is 60 degree, which gives 30 degree. So beta minus alpha is 30 degree. Very simple question. Let's find out the next question. If cos A is equal to 2 by 5, find the value of 4 plus 4 tan square A. So cos A value is given. So let's solve problem. 4 tan square A. So 4 we can take common here. 4, if we take common 4, 1 is remaining, so 4 A. So by using the identity sin square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A, in place of 1 plus tan square A we are going to put sec square A. Here sec is nothing but reciprocal of cos A. So 1 by cos square A. As square is here, so we are going to put square here also. So just put the value. Cos A is given 2 by 5. So 1 by 2 by 5 square. Don't forget to put the square. So what we get? After rationalizing, if we take above 25, we square 5, right? 5 into 5, 25. Then down part 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 cancel. What we got? 25. So this is the correct answer. First of all, what we have to do, we have to learn all the identity. 3 identities we have. We can derive different identities or different formulas from these 3 identity. Then we should be clear about sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, all those. Then read the table that is given in the book. Let's do the next question. 1 plus cos square alpha by 1 plus cosec alpha. We have to prove that it is equal to cosec alpha. So here we are going to use cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cos square theta identity, and we are going to use a square minus b square formula. So let's begin. One plus, if we solve further to this identity, then what we get, if you bring 1 on the left hand side, we get cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So we are going to place cosec square theta minus 1 in place of cot square alpha. So cosec square alpha minus 1 by 1 plus cosec alpha. The next step is one plus, now we are going to use a square minus b square formula. We can consider that 1 square, if we do 1 square, the answer is only 1. So we can use this formula. A is here cosec square alpha and 1 is b square. So a plus b, what we get? Cosec alpha plus 1, and a minus b is cosec alpha minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. The next step, as you can see, cosec alpha plus 1 and 1 plus cosec alpha is same, so we can cancel these two. What is left? 1 plus cosec alpha minus 1 is left. Then plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What is remaining? Cosec alpha, which is equal to left hand side. Proved. Let's see the next question. Evaluate 4 sine to the power 4 30 degree plus cos to the power 4 60 degree minus 3 cos square 45 minus sine square 90 degree. So sine 30 degree, we know that it is half. and also cos 60 degree is also half. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root over 2. Then sin 90 degree is equal to 1. So we'll put all these values in the respective, where the sin 30 degree is equal to half, we'll put in sin 30, as well as cos 60 degree equal to half, so we'll put the cos value here, half. So let's start. For sin 30 is equal to half, so half square plus half, not square, 4, bracket close, minus 3, cos 45 is 1 over root over 2, 1 by root over 2, which is minus sin 90 degree is 1. 1 square as we know is equal to 1. Next, 4 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 4 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 root over 2 into root over 2 is equal to 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1. 4 16, 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 3, 2, 1 minus 2 is 4 into 2 by 16 minus 3 minus into minus 1 by 2. So 4 this is 16, 2 to the 4. So 1 by 2, it become plus, minus is here, so minus minus plus 3 by 2. 2, 4, 2 to the 4, so 2. We got the value 2. So this question is for those who have taken standard, mathematics standard. The length of a string between a kite and a point on the ground is 85 meters. If the string makes an angle theta with a level ground such that tan theta is equal to 15 by 8, then the height of the kite is, we have to find the height. So let's draw the figure first. It is given the length of string between a kite. Suppose this is a kite and a point on the ground. So let this be a ground, A, B. Then if the string makes an angle theta, this angle makes theta with level ground such that tan is equal to 15 by 8, then height. Let's make height point. So BC is the height. We have to find BC. Distance between the kite and a point on the ground is given 85 meters. So let's solve. AB is given, AB is equal to 85 meters. Then tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. So what we can do here, we'll convert the tan into cot theta, which will, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, so 8 by 15. Next step, now we are going to use the identity, which is cos square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. If you bring 1 on the left hand side, we become minus and cot square theta. Then yes, we need the value of cot theta, so cot theta is equal to root over cosec square theta minus 1. We are going to use this equation 1. Now in place of cot theta, we'll put this value, so this remaining cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 8 by 15. Next, if you want to remove the root, what will you do? Take on the right hand side, come square 15, 8 by 15 square. So cosec theta minus 1 equal to 8 square. 8 into 8 is 64. 15 into 15 is 225. Then cosec theta will take to the right hand side 1, 225 plus 1. And after taking the LCM, 225, what do we get? 64 plus 225, which gives 64 plus 225 is 289. 225. Then we got the value of cosec theta, which is cosec square. I forgot to put the value of square. So if we remove the square, 289, 225. Then cosec theta 289 by what? 289 we get by 17 into 17 is 49, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 1, 9, 8, 2. So 17 into 17 is 15. So we got the value of cosec theta. So we know that sin theta is nothing but cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So we got the value of sin theta also. That is equal to 15 by 17. Then next, what we'll do is in triangle, see ABC, in triangle ABC, angle C is right angle, 90 degree. So sin theta is equal to BC by, which is perpendicular. If we consider angle A as theta, so BC is perpendicular by, formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 85 meter. 85 meter, which is AB. Then substituting the value of sin theta, 15 by 17, what do we get? 15 by 17 equal to BC by 85, which gives BC equal to 15 plus 85, 17. Sorry, not plus, into 15 into 85, what is it? 1275. 17 gives 75 meter. So 75 height is, you got height BC is equal to 75 meter. This is the answer. Let's do the next question. If cos 9 alpha equal to 5 alpha and 9 alpha is less than 90 degree, then the value of tan 5 alpha is. 4 options are given. So let's try to find Here we are as cos 9 alpha is equal to sin alpha and 9 alpha is less than 90 degree. We are going to use one identity from among these two identity. Okay, cos theta equal to sin 90 degree minus theta, or sin theta equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. So as in the question is given cos 9 alpha equal to sin alpha, we are going to substitute here, and here it is theta is 9 alpha, so sin, by using the identity sin 90 degree minus, as theta is here it is 9 alpha, so we are going to write 9 alpha, which will give sin alpha. So sin both are cancelled, so what is remaining? 90 degree minus 9 alpha equal to alpha. Then if we take 9 minus 9 alpha to the right hand side, alpha plus 9 alpha, which will give 90 degree equal to 10 alpha. Then alpha is equal to 90 by 10, 9, which will give alpha is equal to 9. So we have got the value of alpha. So as we are asked to find the value of tan 5 alpha, so tan 5 alpha, which is equal to, let's substitute the value of alpha, so tan 5 into 9, which will give tan 45 degree. So we already know that tan 45 is 1. So value of tan 5 alpha equal to 1. So option number tan 5 alpha equal to 1. So option number 1 is correct. Option number C is, so option number C is correct option.